Introduction. Camels are one of the most iconic animals of the desert, known for their humps, long legs, and ability to survive in harsh environments. Despite being so well known, there are many fascinating facts and lesser-known details about camels that most people are not aware of. In this video, we will explore the history, anatomy, behavior, and adaptations of camels, including some surprising facts that you may not have heard before. History and evolution of camels. Camels are part of the family Camelidae. The earliest known camel-like animal is the Protolopus, which lived in North America about 40 million years ago. This creature was small and had 4 toes on its front feet and 3 on its hind feet. Over time, the camel family evolved to include larger and more specialized species that were better adapted to harsh desert environments. The modern-day dromedary camel is native to the Middle East and Northern Africa, while the Bactrian camel is found in Central Asia. Both species have been domesticated for thousands of years and are important sources of food, transportation, and clothing for many cultures around the world. Anatomy of camels. Camels have a number of adaptations that allow them to survive in extreme desert conditions. For example, they have thick, shaggy fur that protects them from the sun and helps them retain moisture. One of the most well-known features of camels is their humps, which are actually made of fat rather than water. The humps store energy and nutrients that camels can draw on when food and water are scarce. When a camel's hump is full, it can weigh up to 80 pounds. Camels are also known for their long, slender legs, which help them move efficiently across the sand. Their feet are equipped with 2 large, padded toes that spread out to distribute their weight over a larger surface area. This helps prevent them from sinking into the soft sand. Another adaptation that helps camels survive in the desert is their ability to conserve water. Camels can go for up to 2 weeks without drinking, and they are able to rehydrate quickly when water is available. They do this by drinking large amounts of water at once, up to 30 gallons in one sitting. Their kidneys are also adapted to retain water, allowing them to produce concentrated urine and feces. Behavior and social structure. Camels are social animals that live in groups called herds or caravans. These groups can range in size from a few individuals to several dozen, depending on the availability of food and water. Within the herd, there is usually a dominant male that leads and protects the group. Females are the primary caregivers for young camels, which are called calves. Camels are also known for their distinctive vocalizations, which include grunts, moans, and a characteristic roaring sound that can be heard for miles. These vocalizations are used to communicate with other camels, and may also serve to establish dominance within the herd. Camels in culture and history. Camels have played an important role in the history and culture of many societies around the world. In the Middle East, they were used as pack animals for trading caravans that traveled across the desert. Camels were also used as mounts for soldiers and were often depicted in art and literature. In Africa, camels were used for transportation, milk, and meat by nomadic tribes. They were also important symbols of wealth and status. In India, camels were used for transportation and as working animals in agriculture. During World War I, both the Allies and the Central Powers used camels in the Middle East. Today, camels are still important for many people around the world. They are used for transportation, food, and even racing in some countries. Scientific research. Camels have been the subject of scientific research for many years, and they continue to be studied for their unique adaptations to desert environments. Researchers are interested in learning more about how camels conserve water and energy, as well as their ability to withstand extreme temperatures. Camels are also being studied for their potential as a source of new medicines. Camel antibodies, for example, have been found to be effective against certain types of cancer and infectious diseases. Conclusion. Camels are fascinating animals that have played an important role in human history and continue to be important in many parts of the world today. Their unique adaptations to desert environments make them well suited to transportation, food, and even space travel. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you learn new things in this video, then just like the video. Hey guys, next video very interesting, see more. Please subscribe, support me.